You know me, I've seen it all. From fish guts to fertilizer, I've cleaned the dirtiest jobs. And let me tell you, industrial tanks, they're up there. But here's the thing. A clean tank is a happy tank. It means your product stays top-notch. It means your equipment runs smooth, and most importantly, it keeps everyone safe. That's where AQUAQUICK 2000 comes in. Now, AQUAQUICK 2000 isn't your grandma's cleaning solution. This stuff is industrial strength, but don't worry, mixing it is a breeze. You'll need your AQUAQUICK 2000 concentrate, some clean water, and always follow the instructions on the label. They tell you exactly how much to mix depending on how tough the job is. With your solution mixed, it's time to tackle that tank. AQUAQUICK 2000 can be applied using a spray system, a cleaning head, or by simply filling the tank. Just make sure the entire surface is coated. This stuff is designed to cling, so even on vertical walls, it gets to work breaking down those stubborn residues. AQUAQUICK 2000 needs a little time to work its magic. The exact time depends on the mess, but the instructions will guide you. Once it's done, rinsing is a snap. Use fresh water and make sure to get every nook and cranny. You'll be amazed at how easily the grime washes away. AQUAQUICK 2000 is powerful, but it's also biodegradable, so you can rinse with peace of mind knowing you're not harming the environment. And that, my friends, is a job well done.